Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. May Allah give you a happy life. Ameen summa ameen. Today we are sharing a very yummy, delicious and tasty recipe with you. We are making a rainbow dessert of seasonal fruits. This is a very easy recipe. We should always use the seasonal fruits and vegetables because these are more nutritious and healthy as compared to the tin foods. Let's start the recipe. To make this recipe we are taking peaches, mangoes, grapes, bananas. There are two types of grapes. These are fresh fruits and quantity is according to your choice. You can use any type of seasonal fruits which you like most. And we are also taking some dry fruits, almonds, pistachio and raisin. In this we will use the red jelly of strawberry. To make the jelly, we add the jelly powder in the boiling water. After mixing this, we pour in the cup and now it is on the room temperature to be condensed, and we are taking approximately 1 cup of custard, half cup sugar. Sugar may be decrease or increase according to your taste. These are the ingredients of the custard. We are taking 1.5 liter milk. This is boiled milk. We are adding the sugar in it during the cooking. The milk is boiling. Now we have taken the custard powder in a bowl and we are adding the boiled milk in it. We have separated 1 cup boiled milk from the 1.5 liter of milk. We are mixing the powder in the milk. There should be no lumps in it. We are mixing nicely and properly. Milk is boiling. We have add the sugar in it. Now we are adding the mixture of the custard powder and milk in it, and we will continuously stirring the milk to avoid the lumps. Now it will be condensed gradually. Custard is cooking for some time. There are bubbles in it, so it is being ready. Its consistency will be according to your choice. We are making it thick, so we are cooking it on the medium flame. Consistency will be according to your choice. After turning off the flame, it will be more condensed. Now it is being ready. After some time we will turn off the flame. Now it is ready. Consistency of the custard. Some time on the room temperature, we will pour it on the bowl. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the first layer of the custard. Now we will put the peaches on it. We will put all the fruits layer by layer in the custard, and finally we will garnish it by the remaining fruits. So after first layer of the peaches, we are again spreading the custard on it. This is the second layer of the custard. Now we are spreading on it the mangoes, and after the layer of the mangoes we will again spread the custard. You can put all the fruits according to your choice. Now the third layer is of grapes. These are the green grapes on it. We are spreading it on the custard. Fourth layer is of bananas. There are many yummy fruits in this season, so you can use any type of fruits of your choice. After all layers of the fruits, finally we are spreading the more custard on it. This is the final layer of the custard. Now we will decorate the custard from the top. So first we are using the jelly. After putting the jelly on it, we are putting the peaches and the mangoes. The second layer is of mangoes and peaches. After this we will put the bananas, grapes on it. So in this way we will decorate the custard. These are the fresh fruits and there is a separate taste of the fresh fruits, so it is a very yummy and delicious dessert is being ready. After decorating the custard, we will garnish it with the dry fruits, pistachio, raisin and almonds in the crushed form. Now a colorful dessert seasonal fruits is ready. It is a very easy recipe and it is very delicious and tasty dessert. Hope you will like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please comment us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep watching and subscribe our channel to get more new recipes. Till then, Allah Hafiz.